light shines on everyone. No borders here in endless space. One cosmic home for the human race. One sky, one light, all of us under starlight. One truth, many names, different words, still the same. Rivers flow, mountains stand, same rain falls on every land. Your breath and mine, same air we share. No walls divide the world out there. One sky, one light, all of us under starlight. One truth, many names, different words, still the same. Who owns the stars? Who owns the sea? Look through my eyes, what do you see? Same wonder, same mystery, same story, same destiny. Circle tight around the flame, different paths, but warmth's the same. Child, ask why we draw our lines when above us all one sun shines. One sky, one light, all of us under starlight. One truth, many names, different words, same love remains. One heart, one world, one breath, one sky.
Hello everyone, this is 𝘲𝗵𝗃 from Creative Wandering, and I hope you enjoyed the music video that you just watched. So, the sky above bears witness. It watches over every child born into this world. The same sky that witnesses our first breath, the same sky that will witness our last one. Those labeled as enemies breathe the same air as our beloved children. Their blood is as red as our own. Their tears taste the same as our brothers' tears. Reflect on this. Would any creator who gave all of us the gift of life wish to see that precious gift being taken away violently? Would the maker of every human heart find joy in the silencing of those hearts? Children caught in crossfire know nothing of causes. Mothers buried under rubble never chose sides. No holy text in any language commands the destruction of what was divinely created. No prayer whispered sincerely seeks the suffering of innocence, isn't it? I'll repeat that. No prayer whispered sincerely seeks the suffering of innocence. Before religion, before nationality, before grievances, there is simply humanity. a shared birthright under one sky. Across all lands, hearts seek the same things: a safer place for our children to grow, a chance to see tomorrow's sunrise, a life with meaning and dignity. Life emerges from the same mystery and returns to the same unknown, and in between, it is sacred, isn't it? Every life, without exception, is sacred. One sky watches over all, one earth holds us all, one truth remains. And what is that truth? We breathe together or not at all. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this music video, kindly consider making a donation which will be used to fund an education initiative, Gnandeep Mitra Mandal, Lamp of Knowledge Friends Community, Jnanacha Divyanche Sangopan, Nurturing the Lamps of Knowledge, a learning to learn initiative from Creative Wandering. Whether your contribution is a modest sum or a grand gesture, any amount from 0 rupees onwards will be gratefully received via GPay or other means on the mobile number that is displayed on your screen right now. Thanks in advance from Creative Wandering. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel in all your circles. Also, please fill the Google form by clicking on the link given in the description section of this video on YouTube. We will keep you informed about the launch dates of your favorite courses. Thank you.